Welcome to the Coding Novice channel, where we develop software with no experience using only the help of ChatGPT. In this video, we'll be building a memory match game. It's the last of 3 games that we were suggested in order to improve our Kiwi skills, which is a UI tool. We'll copy the instructions of the game and put it into a new chat with ChatGPT. To be completely transparent with you, as you can see, all of the apps we've built so far are in this left-hand side. One part you haven't seen before is Write Book with GPT. If that's of any interest to you, wait till the end of the video and I'll tell you how you can get it for free. Match game with Kiwi UI. After a match, the cards are erased. When all the cards are erased, the player wins. We're going to need a cardback.ping file. Just make a little black square. And what we'll have to do is, so we'll move that screenshot into the Coding Novice file and we'll rename it the cardback.ping. Here's the cardback.ping. Here's the code, no errors, that's good. And when we run it, okay, so it's showing the tiles numbered. We click it. It seems like nothing's happening here. If we go through the whole thing, we should find at least one match, right? What are the chances it's the last one? Nope, that's not working. Okay, now we're going to hopefully get one like it that displays the letter of the card when it's clicked. It starts with a question. At least we have 16 tiles, unlike last time. It seems like this cardback.ping worked. In the beginning of this video, I was talking about how the program was so big, but that's not a good thing. So maybe this shorter version is going to be more effective for us. We want each card to show the letter temporarily, even if it's not a match, so that the user can gather that information and find more matches quicker. Let's just see what happens when we get a match, right? F. E, we got a match there. A. Okay, so we're pretty close. This is staying. A, we had another A over here. 2 Fs, C, C, C. H, shouldn't there be one more question mark? Oh, here we go. H, okay, it prints you win down here. That's pretty close. I wanted to write a book titled How to Write a Book with ChatGPT, and I wanted to write it using the help of ChatGPT. So I went through the prompt similarly to how we've been doing coding, but instead of writing code, I used it to flesh out an entire book. When I finished the book, I realized I learned so much from writing it and from the responses ChatGPT gave me that I can make a much better second edition. So I'm going to be giving this first edition away for free. In an upcoming video, I'll be coding my own website for Coding Novice using ChatGPT. And when I do, I'll include the link to this book that I wrote on that website as well. Maybe behind an email link or something so that we could stay in touch. When I finish making that website, there'll be a link to it in the description. So check that link if you want to read this book I wrote titled How to Write a Book with ChatGPT by me and ChatGPT.